up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're gonna make a cocktail at home. So what we'll be using today is Bacardi White Rum or Bacardi Superior. So Bacardi was founded by Don Facundo Bacardi Maso in 1862. So let's talk about rum. Rum is made from sugarcane, which is fermented and then distilled. So now, let's start making our cocktails. The first cocktail that I will show you is the basic cocktail that everyone can make. It is rum and coke. So basically, it is very sweet and at the same time, it is easy to make. The next cocktail is inspired by daiquiri, which has only 3 ingredients. Natapon pa nga. No! God! So the 3 ingredients is rum, lime, and simple syrup, but I made my own version, and it is simple syrup infused with lemongrass and ginger, and then calamansi. So what I did here is not shake, it is muddled and stir. So muddle your calamansi and then add the ice. So this cocktail tastes tangy and sweet. Then get your bar strainer and then strain in the glass. And I will name this cocktail very simple Calamansi Daiquiri. So the next cocktail is Bacardi Pineapple. So put ice on the glass, then add your Bacardi. So make sure to measure your drinks. Next is add your pineapple juice or to fill in the glass. And then stir to mix. So this cocktail is good and also it is easy to make. So the third one is also an easy cocktail which I accidentally discovered. So first is your Bacardi. I'll be putting 40 ml of Bacardi in here. Now, pour your Bacardi in and then add the ice. After that, add these super berries from the berry company. This juice has a balanced flavor of blackberry, blueberry, blackcurrant, and purple grape. This cocktail is fruity and sweet. And then mix it up and serve. And now, down to the last cocktail that we will make, and it is Blue Calamansi Daiquiri, in which we just added blue curacao. So first, your Bacardi, and then pour in your mixing glass. After that, we add this infused simple syrup. Then, muddle your calamansi. And now, I only have 2-piece calamansi here due to limited resources. But, you can add more of this calamansi. After that, you add ice. Next is, add your blue curacao. And then, stir until it cools. And now, get your glass and then strain your drink. And that is how you make cocktails at home.